DevOps, SRE, Site Reliability Engineering, and Platform Engineering are all related but distinct roles within the software development and IT operations landscape. Let's explore each role and their key characteristics. DevOps. DevOps is a software development methodology and cultural approach that emphasizes collaboration and communication between software developers and IT operations teams. The primary goal of DevOps is to automate and streamline the software development, deployment, and operational processes to deliver software more rapidly, reliably, and efficiently. Key characteristics of DevOps include collaboration. DevOps encourages close collaboration between development and operations teams to ensure better communication and shared responsibility throughout the software lifecycle. Continuous integration and continuous delivery. CI/CD DevOps teams focus on implementing automated CI/CD pipelines to deliver code changes to production quickly and safely. Infrastructure as code. IC infrastructure is treated as code, allowing for version control and automated provisioning of resources. Monitoring and feedback. DevOps promotes constant monitoring of applications and infrastructure to gather feedback, detect issues, and make improvements. Site Reliability Engineering, SRE. SRE is a specific role within an organization that originated at Google. It combines aspects of software engineering with operations to create reliable and scalable software systems. SREs focus on ensuring the reliability and availability of applications and services by applying engineering practices to operations work. Key characteristics of SRE include reliability. SREs are obsessed with the reliability of systems, aiming to reduce service disruptions and maintain a high level of uptime. Automation. SREs use software engineering skills to automate manual tasks and build tools for monitoring, scaling, and managing applications. Service level objectives, SLOs, and service level indicators. SREs define and measure SLOs and SLEs to quantify system reliability and performance. Incident management. SREs are heavily involved in incident response and post-incident analysis to learn from failures and prevent recurrence. Platform engineers. Platform engineering is a role that focuses on building and maintaining the underlying infrastructure and tools that enable developers to build, deploy, and run applications more efficiently. They create platforms that abstract away the complexities of underlying infrastructure, allowing developers to focus on building features. Key characteristics of platform engineers include platform development. Platform engineers build and maintain tools, frameworks, and services that developers use to deploy and manage applications. Self-service infrastructure. They empower development teams by providing self-service infrastructure provisioning and management capabilities. Security and compliance. Platform engineers ensure that the platform meets security and compliance standards to protect applications and data. Collaboration. Like DevOps, collaboration with development and operations teams is crucial to understanding their needs and improving the platform continuously. While there can be some overlap between these roles, each one has its unique focus and responsibilities. In some organizations, individuals might work in more than one of these roles or take on hybrid roles, depending on the specific needs and structure of the company.